Hello everybody, how are you? Today I am introducing new releases product in Patio Lawn and Garden. Product number 1, Honey 6-pack plug-in refill Curtis kit replacement. Product number 2, Trap Flag in 2023 upgrade flag in bug catcher mosquito fruit fly trap gnat killer indoor safe non-toxic UV night light fly trap with sticky trap for flies. Product number 3, melting Zibo indoor flying insect trap for fruit flies, gnats, house flies, 1 plug in base plus 3 refill Curtis. Product number 4, BBQ rolling grilling basket for outdoor grill, 2 pieces stainless steel grill basket set, round barbecue grill mesh outdoor camping grill accessories. Product number 5, mosquito candle outdoor 2-pack with 5 natural essential oils, DEET free citronella candles outdoor mosquito repellent outdoor patio mosquito repellent. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and customer review. Check out the description to find the product links.